Jojo.
8:30, if you're not ready, I'll just put you in the bed.
Right, Jojo, open the door. There's a gravy bone. No. Go and get it. Go and get it. Get it, Jojo. Get the gravy bone.
Get it then. Find it.
Find it, Jojo.
You found it. Open the door. You find it.
Yeah. Jojo, stop sniffing. Come on. Find it. No, don't you dare go to Jojo. Oh. You go and get it. Go and get it. Jojo, go and get it. Go and get it. Go and get the gravy bear. Go and get it. Go and get it. Go and get it. Jojo. What's inside there? No. What's inside there? Right. Now, go and get it. You're sniffing. You're sniffing. You're sniffing. Oh!
Alan, do you understand what he's saying to you?
He's sniffing.
Alan,
Yeah.
Alan, do you understand what he's saying to you?
Yeah.
You're going to bed at 8:30.
You guys, hope you enjoyed that. That was my dog trying to get a treat. She absolutely failed. We tried before. Failed. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and that's probably one of our funny dog scenes. Bye.